Welcome to Qingdao Hengjinding Printing Equipment Factory, a professional manufacturer specializing in digital printing and heat transfer machines, with innovation at our core. We deliver efficient and reliable printing solutions to customers all over the world. Here, every machine goes through a strict production and quality control process. From precision machining to final assembly, every detail meets international standards. Our main products include white ink heat transfer machines, oval digital printers, DTG and DTF printers, and UV flatbed printing systems. They are ideal for customized printing on garments, shoes, and creative products. With vivid color reproduction, precise printing alignment, and excellent washing durability, our machines are trusted by customers around the world. Hengjinding equipment is exported to Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. We actively participate in international exhibitions to shape the future of printing together. Qingdao Hengjinding Printing Equipment Factory. Let the world see your creativity. Contact us today and start your efficient printing journey.